Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to open a chlorine feeder. First, switch off the pump and main power, then close any valves feeding the unit. Next, relieve pressure by opening a nearby air relief or bleed screw slowly. Have a bucket and towels ready for drips, and keep gloves and eye protection on at all times while you work on the feeder. In this video, I will show how to open a chlorine feeder. Start by placing towels under the unit and loosening the lid bolts in a star pattern to avoid stress. Carefully lift the lid just enough to let trapped gas escape, then fully remove it once pressures equalize. Inspect the interior for chunks, tablets, or residue, and use a plastic scraper to remove deposits without damaging seals. In this video, I will show how to open a chlorine feeder. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free timers, voice checklists, and playing calming music while you work. It fits any workspace and helps you stay focused and safe when handling chemicals. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. And if you're finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to open a chlorine feeder. After removing deposits, rinse parts thoroughly with water and let them air dry to prevent chemical reactions. Lubricate new O-rings with a compatible silicone grease, position components exactly as noted, and tighten the lid gradually in a crisscross pattern. Restore power only after checking for leaks and running the pump briefly to confirm correct flow and operation.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.